Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use two screens, or we can say you can use a split screen option in MacBook. So let's just start. So if you want to use two screen at a time, you can also do that. So let's start. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the launch pad, and then simply I'm going to open the Safari browser here. And after opening the Safari browser, what we need to do simply, as you can see, has an option of the maximize. Simply we have to click on this. So as you can see, after opening the Safari browser, you will see the option here which is called maximize. You need to keep your mouse over on it, and after that, as you can see, you will see the options like this. So simply I'm going to click on this option which is called tile window left of screen. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, screen will be like this. So simply what I'm going to do, I'm going to add other screen here. Simply we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, what I am going to do, I am going to click on this, and here I will see another option which is called tile window of right screen. So we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, we will see the both options here. Now simply if you want to use this one, then you can also do that, or if you want to use this one, you can also do that. So as you can see, both the screens are here at a time. You can use them in this way, and you can use the split option in this way. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the two screen at a time, or how you can use the split screen on MacBook OS. So see you guys in the next video.